Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover deleted chats on ChatGPT. Currently, once chats are deleted in ChatGPT, they cannot be recovered. OpenAI does not offer a built-in feature to restore deleted chats. So here are the details. Now, why can't you recover deleted chats? Follow me. No chat history backup on OpenAI. ChatGPT does not have a cloud-based backup for chat history once a conversation is deleted. So once deleted, the chat data is permanently erased. Also, data privacy and security could also be a part of it. OpenAI takes user privacy seriously. So deleting chat ensures that no residual data is stored, and therefore, restoring such data could potentially conflict with their privacy policies. So what can you do instead? Number one, save important chats before deleting. If you have important conversations, it is a good practice to save them before deleting. Now you can copy the text and paste it into a document or use export options if available in your interface. Then, if you frequently need to keep track of your conversations, consider using an external tool or app to save important chats. If you believe there is an issue with chat history, you can reach out to OpenAI support for clarification on your account and chat history. Now, how can you save chats in ChatGPT? It's simple. Just copy and paste. Select the conversation text, right-click, and choose Copy. So select the conversation text. Let's say this is a conversation text, and you can just right-click and choose Copy, or just go ahead and click on the copy icon that is there. Then once you're done, paste it into a text file or a document for safekeeping. Now, you can also take screenshots. Screenshots can work. You can also take screenshots of important conversations, although these may not be ideal for long chats. Now, if OpenAI adds an export feature in future versions, you can use it to download a copy of your chat history. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.